What's going on YouTube? Unc0ver right here. So in today's video I have massive news for those of you using the Unc0ver jailbreak on iOS 11 or iOS 12, no matter which version that is supported. So a huge update has been posted and some subsequent updates were also published to fix some of the bugs. So just a few hours ago, Pwn20wnd posted, quote, Unc0ver version 3.1.2 is now out, fixes another bug and implements another feature request. But these are basically bug fixes for a huge update that was posted a day ago. Pwn20wnd posted a day ago, quote, Unc0ver version 3.1.0 is now out, the biggest update to Unc0ver yet. And if you go ahead in here on the releases tab, you can see the version 3.1.2, which is basically the bug fix and so on, version 3.1.1, which is again a bug fix and so on, and then of course you have this massive update in here posted a day ago, version 3.1.0, which contains a ton of things in here. It fixes a lot of the bugs that were reported by the community. It also rewrites the kernel patches, the preference manager, the diagnostic system, and the unrestrict library. And this basically makes the system much more stable. And of course, it fixes the weird bugs that people were having with iMessage, FaceTime calls, camera crashing, and so on. The substrate was also updated, is now on version 0.9.7033, and this basically fixes a problem with the security daemon, which was creating freezing issues on iOS 12. So if you've been experiencing freezing issues with the Unc0ver, these may be fixed now with this update in here. As you can see, there are quite a lot of bullet points in here, which means that this is definitely a massive update that you should definitely apply to your jailbreak. So if you're running an older version of the Unc0ver, make sure you update to the latest version, which is 3.1.2 as I'm making this video, which basically contains the version 3.1.0 and all the subsequent bug fixes. So if you take a look in here, Pwn20wnd says that it fixes the iMessage audio crash, it fixes the FaceTime calls disappearing on some devices, it fixes the camera crash on some devices, and he also says in here, quote, significantly improve the reliability of the jailbreak when using maxswap or maxswap2 exploit. This is important since the maxswap and maxswap2 have a garbage collector variable which has to be set just right, otherwise the exploit would fail pretty badly. So yeah, it says in here optimize the code, improve assertion, add error-specific error messages, and this is actually something good, because the error messages in Unc0ver can be really confusing sometimes. Display info about the device on launch, clean up logging, and make enabled get task allow a default option. But the most important, in my opinion, is this one in here, which says, quote, improve the jailbreak self-repairability feature. Now, the testing, it says in here, this update was verified to work on iOS 11.1.1 all the way up to iOS 12.1.2. So he made sure to test it on any single supported version, probably on Corellium. It says in here, quote, conclusion, this update significantly improved the stability and performance of the entire system, fixes issues in the jailbreak app, makes it more user-friendly, stable and performant, and adds support for switching from other iOS 12 jailbreaks without losing data. Probably Electra and of course the Chimera. So very important, because the Chimera was having problems with the restore rootfs feature, which didn't actually work properly. So if you were trying to go from Chimera to Unc0ver, you wouldn't be able to do so, because for some people there were problems with the restore mechanism. So this should take care of that. So yeah, very important update. Go ahead and update right now to version 3.1.2, which fixes some bugs introduced in that huge update in there, and of course this one should be stable for you. Now, another thing that I would like to discuss in this video is the release of iOS 12.3.1. Yes, today Apple released the iOS 12.3.1 and stopped signing the iOS 12.2 altogether. There are no bugs currently known for iOS 12.3 and 12.3.1, so make sure that you do not update these if you're waiting for a jailbreak or if you are already jailbroken. More videos about the vulnerabilities for these versions will come as the vulnerabilities unfold, but just as a PSA, do not update these, even though Apple will probably make your device to try to download it automatically. So make sure you have the profile installed and do not update. So yeah, thank you for watching, don't forget to subscribe to stay updated. I'm Unc0ver, and until next time, peace out.